morning, and this is another one of my PC boards that I got through JLC PCB. This one is a motor, a DC motor reversing board using two relays, and the board looks like this. That's the other side, and I'll put up the schematic at some point in this video or at the end, but basically the way it works is that voltage comes in through V1, where is it here? Oh geez. Through V1 plus and V1 minus. This is the only voltage where the only one where the actual polarity really matters, and that controls the power to the relays through the coil. The power goes into the coils, it goes through a switch. The switch is a single pole dual throw switch, which is what switches the relays, turns one off and the other one on, and vice versa. And then it has the original circuit had the input voltage and the voltage going into the contacts of the relay being the same source, but I wanted mine to be able to use, like, say, a 5-volt relay to switch, 24 or 48 volts or something like that. And then the output comes out through these M out, of which the polarity does not matter, because depending on which way the switch goes depends on the polarity you're going to get. This thing, when I made it, I put them a little too close. They will fit these, and just barely, but this brand does not fit, so I'm gonna have to redesign the board slightly and make them further apart. Anyways, I put one together so that I could show you how it works, and I didn't bother filming it. I don't know how many people are really interested in watching me solder, but the board is here. It has two 24-volt relays. I have approximately 18 volts going into it, which is within the specs of triggering the relay, because my power supply doesn't put out 24 volts. And I have off camera here, I have a 12-volt lead acid battery going through a 2 ohm or 3 ohm very large power resistor, this right here, because when I applied power to this is a 12-volt motor and it spins up very high. That's why it's taped down. Got a little flag on it so you can see what directions it's going. And so it's really simple with this switch, which is it's actually a dual pole triple throw. The center is off, and so when I flip it to one direction and then back, and then I flip it the other way, and so I don't know if you can see which direction it's going, but it is reversing. And that's it. Theoretically, based on the way I built this board, it can handle a motor up to, I think, about 15 amps, although you probably want to keep it to 10. And the voltage it can handle is whatever the relay can handle. So there you go. Thanks for watching.